guys, today I'm going to the flea market in Geneva, but I don't really expect there, oh wait, I don't really expect, maybe Arafat will be there, but it'd just be like a Saturday in Geneva, kind of what I do.
What's this?
That's a stopwatch.
Huh?
That's a stopwatch, I think.
Stopwatch?
This would look great with a new crystal, but it's not sure what's going on with that case. If it's just brass or if it's plated. It says it's only 100. This is a sculpture of Frankenstein's monster, and in Plainpalais, if you read Mary Shelley's original book, Frankenstein, the monster's first murder happens in Plainpalais in this park, and the sculpture is a tribute to that, because Mary Shelley wrote the book here in Geneva.
Primero me dijo.
Cherchez quelque chose de spécial?
Non, j'achète un truc là ici, quelque chose qui me plaît.
Bien sûr, il faut.
Il est un peu au feeling.
Oui. On a aussi un peu de l'autre.
Je vois des choses qui me plaisent.
Oui, bien sûr. Regardez pour moi, hein. On ne peut pas voir pour regarder.
Exactement.
C'est une...
Bonjour. La vraie main, c'est celle qui est digitale également?
Non. J'ai jamais déjà une braquette qui était...
Les deux.
Ouais, les deux.
Merci. Je peux l'avoir là? La guerrière professionnelle, vous auriez quelque chose?
c'est un truc aussi, là,
D'accord, ouais. Vous
il est en
validez.
fait. Et il a fait le revenu en total.
D'accord.
Les villes en venant.
C'est correct. La vidéo, tout ça, c'est correct.
Ah, ça en est une, hein.
Oui, bien sûr, bien sûr. C'est correct, c'est correct. Moi, je cherchais principalement, c'est vrai que la digitale, vous savez,
Avec
fait
les
les deux.
oui, oui, je connais. J'en avais une. J'ai vendu, bien sûr. En arrière.
Ouais, c'est super. Merci beaucoup, monsieur, je vous la rends. Vous avez déjà.
Ah non, retourne un peu, mais...
Arrive. Une seconde.
Ça te plaît. Sans doute partager un message de positif. Ça peut être
Cette montre-là, je l'avais perdue 3 ans.
Oui.
Je me suis adressé à une voyante qui m'a bien dit elle est chez vous, mais elle a été déplacée. Eh bien, elle avait raison. Une année après sa sentence, la femme de ménage la retrouvait 2 mètres plus loin. Elle était sous mon lit,
Ah oui.
mais comme quelqu'un avait déplacé un matelas sous mon lit, crac,
On la retrouve. Oh.
elle était 2 mètres plus loin.
Ah oui. Sì. After un minuto.
Seven years ago. For my 30th anniversary.
Voilà. Là, vous avez
Ah, c'est bon.
It's a Valjoux
lequel vous voulez.
88, the mouvement,
Oh, I don't know. Oh, I'm not enough.
orologist.
Africano,
Oui.
aficionado, c'est bon.
Toujours celui-là ou celui-là? Mais je suis toujours.
Ah, voilà. Et c'est tout frais, hein.
Le mot là-bas.
Can I film your watch?
Non.
Non, il n'y a pas de
Combien tu as pris?
Very nice. Monsieur,
Pour la pile? J'en sais rien. Moi, j'ai pas de pile. Je fais pas.
Ah, on n'avait pas de thé, là.
Non.
combien ça coûte le Consul 30 Ruby?
Allez-y. C'est une montre automatique.
100,
Ouais.
just un saut.
Les manches comme je voudrais, alors.
Vous voulez faire une photo?
Si vous voulez, oui, mais bon, je ne tiens pas. Chez vous? J'aurais pu aller à la chaux de fond, mais je sais qu'on ne trouve pas d'aussi bon cuir que chez vous. Bon week-end.
Quelle vache! Allez, bonjour à Chaux-de-Fonds.
Merci, monsieur. C'est bon prix, mais pas aujourd'hui.
Yes. Allez, Consul.
Oui, je vais 3 consuls. C'est
C'est bon,
c'est
ça.
très belle.
Ok.
Oui.
Oui, mais je vais vous montrer quelque chose. Vous savez que ça, c'est des gold cap.
Oui, gold cap, très forte. Oui, oui.
Ouais.
C'est,
Gold cap.
Oui, oui.
Mais c'est de l'or 18 carats.
oui, oui, c'est bon.
Là, ça fait pas
oui,
beaucoup
oui, c'est
lourd.
l'or.
C'est pas lourd. Mais c'est joli.
Yeah.
Je connais.
Je connais.
Yes. What is your mind?
Hmm?
It's too expensive, no?
No, I have so many watches. I can't keep buying them.
Yeah.
I have more than you do.
It's not expensive 100.
No, it's very good.
Ça c'est 18 carats.
Don't have any more money.
Yeah. No,
I didn't buy.
we cannot spend so much money.
You have to pick this one instead.
Yeah, because the movement is my favorite movement. So, you know, my last video I was working on a ETA 2789 that I didn't know the difference between 89 and 89-1. So this watch is cool because it was in the flea market, I could check the day disc and I could make sure it was a 2789-1 with the dual language. And that's what I'm really interested in right now. The 2789 and the 2836, I think it is, which is the more modern 2800 beat per minute dual language day date. Those are my two kind of favorite ETA movements at the moment. And it was good because I was just working on this yesterday that my mind was fresh about the difference between the movements. Getting cold.
I know, freezing.
So today there's an exhibit of watches for the GPHG, which is the Grand Prix Horologie Geneva. So we're gonna check that out as well. This is the Grand Theatre, right? Yeah. This Opera House, Grand Theatre, I think. No, is it the?
Well, I don't know if she's transferred to Up House, but yeah, that's where.
But the museum for the GPHG is actually this next building. And up on the hill you can see the old city. So Geneva, the old city, was surrounded by a wall as a fortress against the invading, marauding French. There's a lot of stories behind that. They're very exciting. We've been recruited as photographer assistants.
Yes, but with the whole thing, yeah. I want to take the science.
There's a little watchmaking school there, which is great. I did it actually last year. Maybe if I can find a clip from it, I'll edit it in.
C'est ce qui va être dans le cadran aiguille, s'il y avait une date ou comme ça va être vraiment tout ce qui va. Et juste par rapport aux tournevis, on a des tournevis donc, qui ont un roulement à vie sur le dessus. Donc on va pouvoir tenir le tournevis avec.
This room is from the Haute École Art and Design of Geneva. And it's all things that have to do with time. Some of them are watches, but I see several of them are Raspberry Pi based micromechanical devices, so I'm interested in that. This looks like it's using magnetism to turn the hands of this forest. And then it's got like a XY motion control system hooked up to a Raspberry Pi. I suppose you could do something similar and actually make a clock display some out of those items. Look like little hex wrenches. These are some watches. This is another Raspberry Pi based thing. You need a camera to, oh, it drew it, yeah. So what this is doing, there's a camera up here. So it's using a long exposure. Right now it's making an image, long exposure with the flashing light, and then it displays the image on that screen. So right now it's doing the long exposure. It's kind of like a spirograph, and then that image will appear on that screen. So that's what it did. It's kind of silly but fun. This is another Raspberry Pi based thing. This one is just drawing. Somebody flipped that paper over since we looked at it, I think. It's a pen and it's just writing. It's a Raspberry Pi controlling a XY arm and a Z to push the pen to the paper. I don't really know anything about this Beauvais. I think it's somebody bought it in the last, well, I don't know, I shouldn't say. But anyway, the thing is, this high horology, like, this is just insane. I think I read or saw some video about this watch. So this is a world timer, and I mean, if you start getting into movement complications, this is just nuts. So this is a de Bethune that won the men's competition. So one of the young watchmakers at the Horlotroc actually works for de Bethune, so they might have made this. Is it just, is this your business, or do you also work?
No, it's just something on the side.
Yeah, so what, in your business, do you work in France or do you work in Switzerland?
Switzerland.
At de Bethune.
You work at de Bethune?
Valjoux.
Oh, cool. Look at that back of that, it's incredible. So this is a Laurent Ferrier, and one of the young men at Horlotrope had it. They were selling tools, works for Laurent Ferrier.
And myself, I work in Geneva at Laurent Ferrier.
Oh wow, that's incredible. So those guys literally probably made these watches. I know those are both amazing watchmakers.
Decent.
Can I didn't film your faces, but can I use this on my YouTube channel that I talk to you? Or can I film your faces?
Yes, yes.
This one is all about accuracy. The prize for chronometry, like accuracy. This is an evolution of the Zenith El Primero. So this is a watch that was nominated. It's a Rexhepi, or Regepi. Collaboration with Louis Vuitton. So this watch is a Kari Bulletin. It also has an indicator in the back. This is another carré bulletinen. And if you don't see the back, you wouldn't know how special that was. Okay. So this is a Bulgari Octo Finissimo. The thing about this, you kind of have to experience it for yourself to see how flat that is. But this is another kind of like technical feat. You know, like how do you make a movement that thin? This is a Max Buser MBMF. The dials are on the quadrants here. So this is a Furlan Mari. This is the IWC Eternal Calendar. This is the watch that in Watches and Wonders, the fellow from IWC explained to me how the movement works. I'll put a link to that video here.
Tu vois même pas que c'est une...
So this is a Gucci, like the thing that's interesting about this is that it's actually wound and running, and that tourbillon on top is pretty insane. Fabergé. That's crazy.
This is the one I have.
Oh wow, that's kind of. I hate to enjoy that. So this this is a Van Cleef and Arpels. This is like really a jewelry maker, but the watch, they're making such expensive jewelry that they can also indulge in crazy watchmaking. That's the back of it. And this one, if it was running, the flowers actually, I think they wave as the watch runs or something like that. Most of the Van Cleef watches do some kind of animation. Well, that's it for the GPHG 2024. A lot of YouTubers get killed doing this kind of thing. Oh, it's ice skating.
Oh.
Right? Yeah. This park has, they have these giant chessboards here and an ice skating rink. This is Parc Bastions, which is just across the street from Place Neuve. You can get a hot chocolate here and stuff like that. I thought I would film until somebody fell down, but that was good enough.
It was today. Started out today.
It just started today?
Yeah.
Nice. Goes until March 2nd.
Maybe the best thing about ice skating is the
This is where all the old watchmakers go to play chess.